Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your browsing experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn off the homepage feature in the Google Chrome app, making your browsing cleaner and more focused. Let's jump right in. First, grab your device and open the Google Chrome app. This is where everything starts. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those. This opens up a menu with several options. From the menu, scroll down until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you're inside Chrome Settings, where you can customize how the app behaves to suit your preferences. Next, look for the option labeled Homepage. Sometimes it's under the Advanced section, so if you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling. Once you spot Homepage, tap on it to open its settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a switch or toggle next to the word Homepage. If the switch is blue or turned on, that means the Homepage feature is active. To turn it off, simply tap the switch. It should change color or move to the left, indicating that the Homepage is now disabled. And that's all there is to it. By toggling off the Homepage, Chrome will no longer load a specific homepage when you open the app or tap the home icon. Instead, you'll get a clean start, usually with a new tab or your most recent session, depending on your settings. This simple adjustment can help you avoid distractions and streamline your browsing. If you ever want to turn the homepage back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips to get the most out of your apps. See you next time.